Hi guys, it's Simran Lobo here, and today I will be sharing some secrets that our ancestors have been using since a very long time for glowing skin and many different benefits. That little secret is your belly button, or navel as we call it. Oiling your belly button is essential for detoxifying your body as well. It has also been Ayurvedically tested from our nana, nanis, and dada, dadis, as you know. So, daily application of these oils in your belly buttons will prove to be very effective for your skin and your health as well. So I will be explaining the effect of 8 different essential oils that you can add into your daily skincare routine. It is as simple as adding a few drops in your belly button and massaging it in circular motions. So the first oil that I would like to talk about is neem oil. Neem oil helps remove acne, pimples, itches or irritation on your skin. It is also proven to be essential to remove rashes from your skin. So adding 2 drops of neem oil to your navel or your belly button and massaging it regularly will help remove all these problems from your skin. The second oil that I would like to talk about is almond oil. Adding a few drops of warm almond oil will help in glowing your skin, and it also helps in healing cracked skin. Like if you have chapped lips or you have cracked heels, it will help heal those skins and remove the dead skin cells. So adding warm almond oil to your navel will help cure these skin problems. The third oil that I would like to say is mustard oil. Mustard oil reduces congestion or digestive problems that you might have, or even gastric problems if you have. So adding mustard oil into your navel and massaging it will help detoxify your intestines and will also help you cure your dry lips. The fourth oil that I would like to talk about is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very essential for a lot of different types of skin problems. It improves your eyesight and it reduces dandruff. It is also essential for healthy hair. So if you are looking for hair growth or healthy hair and it's not affecting externally, try this internal remedy. Adding a few drops of coconut oil and massaging it on your belly button will help your hair grow in a very healthy and moisturized way. The fifth oil I would like to talk about is castor oil. Adding a few drops of castor oil, massaging it for a few minutes will help you get rid of your wrinkles or any dark circles that you have under your eyes. So if you are having problems of dark pigmentations around your skin, especially under your eye, or having dry skin with a lot of wrinkles, try this remedy. Add a few drops of castor oil to your navel button and massage it daily. The sixth remedy for glowing skin or smooth skin is pure ghee. Or just adding 2 drops of ghee in your navel will give you a very smooth texture, a very smooth skin. And who does not like smooth skin? The seventh oil that I would like to talk about is lemon oil. Adding a few drops of lemon oil at night before sleeping and massaging it will help reduce dark or white pigmentations on your skin. White and dark pigmentations usually occur when you have a discoloration in your skin. So to get rid of those pigmentations, add just a little bit of lemon oil at night before sleeping and massage it thoroughly so that you can get rid of dark and white pigmentations. But these remedies only work if you are doing it regularly. So the eighth and the final oil that I would like to talk about is olive oil. It is one of the very essential oils that you can add to your daily skincare routine. So adding a few drops of olive oil to your belly button will help smooth your skin and give you a clear and glowing complexion. The reason behind adding olive oil is that it's enriched with natural fatty acids and antioxidants. So it also helps detoxify your body. Olive oil will also help you cure any skin infections that you are facing. Also will help you moisturize your skin. Nobody likes dry skin, especially during winter seasons. You can try olive oil and massage it to your belly button whenever it is convenient for you. So these are the 8 essential oils that you can add to your belly button just to nourish your skin and detoxify your body. Do let us know if you have any other oils that you want us to review and give our opinion on it. And if you like this video, hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. Follow me on Instagram, Makeover by Simran. Thank you.